Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to add and manage Google Assistant for your headphones Pixel Buds Pro 2. You have to start by open Settings, then go to Connected Devices. Now click the settings icon near to your headphones, then scroll down and click on Touch and Controls. Then scroll down again and click on Press and Hold. Then Customize. And now you should choose the right one or left one earbud. I guess I prefer right one, so I click on the digital assistant for the right earbud. Now, if I press and hold on my right earbud, I will call a Google Assistant right here. So let's check it. Now I will press and hold. Hi Google, how are you? That's it, we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!